Uh-oh. Don't miss the train! Don't miss the train! Don't miss the bus! Don't miss the bus! Alright, we are in board. We are in business! Going to
Next station, Fire Boulevard.
next station or two.
Horsepower.
Wow, that's sick.
And
You know what city these guys are made in? They're German,
Sacramento.
right? Oh yeah.
They're
They're put together here.
They're Siemens
yeah.
Siemens product, but they're actually manufactured in Sacramento.
So it's just pretty simple control, huh?
Yeah, it's
Pretty interesting.
just it's a dead man control. I've got forward and then just brakes.
Cool.
And I can control the switches and everything.
Thanks a lot, Mark, for letting me in. Check it out. This is so
Sure.
cool. I was even thinking. See you later. Going down to San Diego. This is the end of the line.